Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will try to learn about sequential motor control ladder logic in Delta PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our WPL software WPL 2.49 version, and here we will create a new program. Here we can write the program title SQPRO, and after which PLC you have, you can select it from here, any PLC. For example, I will choose for this one SS2. This one is SS2 and click it OK. And here we will make one latch relay first start. For example, LDX0 we will take the input, and LDIX1 we will make the stop push button, and out we will take M0 for example, and here we will take the LDM0 open contact of the PLC, and here we will make not this one, delete, where delete, and here we will make, and after we will make this F9. Yeah, now okay. This is also we will delete. Yeah, because when we push make it the push at X0, after our M0 will be latch, and M0 will be after make it hold to our this M0 relay. So in second row we will make this LD M0. When M0 will on, after we need a one timer like to be start. An example, I will take the T0 for example, TMR. When we write to, we will get the timer TMR T0, and K330 we will give the time. And in the next row we will take also LDM0, and after we will use the compare command, equal or less than. For example, we will write when equal, first LD greater than or less than or equal when our T0 for K100, for example, thus 10 seconds we will make it our on this first output Y0 for example, and we will take any, you can take out Y0, and next row also we will take LDM0 because this is our main relay, and after we will make the LD greater than or equal when our T0 for K110 seconds, and T inside the T0 you have to be K, give the space, otherwise it will be not accept. When greater than or equal when T0 with the time K110, after next one more we will take less than or equal LD less than and equal when T0 by K 210 times we will put, and after our second relay will be on. For example, Y1 we will take, sorry, out Y1 we will make it on, and in next row also we will take LD M0, and also same as LD equal greater than or equal T0 when K 222, because of last we put 210 and here we will put 220, and in next also LD when less than or equal T0 K 230, and after our Y1 will be on. Sorry, this mistake again I make mistake. Out Y2. Now okay, and at the last we will make T0 LD T0 RST T0. Because why I put this one T0? When this timer T0 when completed his time, after this will be automatically reset, and if for example this is Y0 first start after 1 second, after Y1 start after 1 second, after Y2 start, and after 1 second this will be repeat, any timer will be reset and it will be go start from 0 to Y0. So this program we will compile first, and let's try this first. This will be okay or not, we will check. Click enter and make the simulation on, and put power PLC into run mode. So as we have to be make it set x0, after our timer will be start, and for with 100 seconds after our Y1 will be on, and when this time will be completed, after 1 second wait, and after 1 second after our Y2 needs to be on, and see it's now waiting for this 10 seconds, and after our Y0 need to be again on. I think so this time we make the 230 220. This time we make it little wrong. I will make the correction. This we have to make 320, because of this time if we put only 10 seconds will be apply. Click it again, yes, and make it simulation on, and again we will give the signal at x0, and now you can see this is that for 10 seconds Y0 will be on, and after 1 second it will be wait, and after Y1 will be on, and after 1 second will be wait, when Y1 time will be completed, after 1 second wait, and Y2 will be starts, and after when this 330 any means this is 100 seconds completed, after this will be stop and wait for 1 second, and our Y0 will be start. So this procedure will be continuously run, and as you give the signal at set on, make it give the push button, after your complete whole process will be stops. And if one more thing, if you like to make this one interlock, for example, sometimes customer says I need this I need this interlocking. This program will be correctly run, but for the safety purpose you can put this one also for interlock. And how we can make interlock, I will show you now. Delete this one line, and also here we will delete this y0 and y1 and y2, and here simply we will make m1, for example, out m1. If we will take m1 we will take, and here we will take out m2. Because of m0 already we used, and here out m3 means m1, m2 and m3. m1 is our motor 1, m2 is motor 2, and m3 is motor 3, or any pump or whatever which we like to be make in sequence. An example, a water pumps you like to be in sequential like to run. So this you can give name, also comments you can give it here when you like this one m1, and go to here comments, and here you can put the comment motor 1 or motor 1. What's the problem? And comments also. Show comments. Now when you put it this show comment, just go to in view, and here show comments, this bar you can see this comments also will be shown. Otherwise if this is not a check mark, it will be not make it on. After this m2 also you can put it here motor 2, you can put it here and click it enter, and here also you can put the comment motor 3 MOTO or motor 3. So this pumps also you can write pump 1, pump 2, pump 3, and it will be run in sequence. So here what we will make, this is our m1 is our pump 1 relay. So we will put it here LD m1 when our on, and after LDI m2 when off, and also LDI m3 will be off. Sorry, LDI m3 after out y0. That switch you first put at this one at m1, where first we put y0. Now you can put y0 at your first one, and in second row you can make it LDI m1, because of this m1 close contact LDI m1, and second also you have to be needed make it on LD m2 open contact, and LDI m3 will be close contact, and out you will be put y1. So this is your pump 2, and here also you can make LDI m1, also LDI m2, and next LD m3, and out y2. This is your third pump. So compile this program, and again download to the PLC and make it simulation on and put the PLC in run mode, and now you can start your on time. And here now you can see your Y0 is on, and here is two are close contacts, and now second is run. Now these two are closed, this one is open, and in after that third time will be completed of the Y1 time. After 1 second wait, after your Y2 will be on. So this system called the interlock. If this interlock is made after 100% your pumps will be running in sequence, and not the any chance to the missing. So hope guys, this way you can make this pump sequential in the sequence control. If not understand anything, you can send message in comment sections. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.